Flat lentil bread is one of my favorite gluten-free options, which I always have at hand in my freezer. It's got very much the texture of a good whole grain bread. I've made it with red lentils and brown lentils, and it's extremely successful and very unlikely that you can flop this. I always have extra in the freezer, and then I can just pop it in my toaster on the defrost setting till it's crispy and brown, or you can reheat it in your oven. It's really an all-time favorite. I will leave the recipe in the description box below. We start off by soaking and sprouting our lentils, and the reason for that is to clean it and just to make it more digestible. And you'll see I use one of these mesh sieves to do it. I'll also put a link to a recent video that I made about soaking and sprouting where I go more into detail. Then I just blend my lentils with my water and salt, and I scoop it out in a big bowl. I grind my flaxseed fresh in a small coffee mill or in my Vitamix blender. I will also put in a link to the recent video that I made about the best way for me to grind my flaxseed. Then I just mix the ground flaxseed with the mixture that I scooped out in a big bowl, and I mix it with a big spoon till well mixed. I prepared 2 oven baking trays with unbleached parchment paper, and I just scoop out 24 even size. I make them slightly bit more flat with the back of a spoon. You don't want them too high because else it's not going to bake through and it's not going to be a nice texture on the inside. Then I bake them in the oven. This recipe is very versatile. You can have it savory with a curry or with a soup, but you can also have it sweet with a nice carob nut butter and maybe honey or fruit. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did so, remember to hit the like button. If you want to stay tuned to the videos that I make, remember to subscribe, and remember, take care of your health. It's precious.